Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add contour to your Instagram Facebook filter. But before we begin, I also want to show you my contour blush highlight set. In this set you will be able to change the opacity and the color of the product itself, and it has 4 contour textures, 3 blush textures and 2 highlight textures, cheeks and nose. So if you like this set, please check it out. The description is going to be under this video. So let me close this project and let's go to Photoshop. So we're gonna draw our contour. So I have this picture of this face feminine, and now we need to go to layer, new layer. And I'm picking like any color, for example this one, and I'm switching. So now this color is active, and I'm searching for the paint bucket. So where it is? Okay, I found paint bucket, and now I just colored this entire layer. Now I'm clicking on the background, and then I'm clicking layer, new layer as well. And now I'm picking the layer, brown layer, and I'm clicking on it, and I'm clicking create clipping mask. And now I'm coming back to this transparent layer, and I'm clicking on brush and switching to the white color. It's important because all the textures that I draw them in white color. This way you can adjust them easily in Sparky R. Okay, so and also you need to set symmetry, and you need to pick vertical and then press this check mark. Okay, so let me enlarge the picture of this feminine face, and I picked the brush. It's called soft round. Okay, it's accident undo. And I'm trying to draw the line from where is not the light part, but the shadow. And it goes like from the top of the ear to nose. I imagine like here's ear. Okay, so let me draw it here like this. And also I'm going to the nose. I'm reducing the size of my brush, like enlarging to the nose. And also drawing like one line, and then another line is drawing by itself because it's symmetrical drawing turned on. Okay, and now I'm going to the filter, blur, and I'm picking Gaussian blur, and now we can adjust how big of the blur we want. I like pretty big blur because I like it to get nicely with skin. Okay, so like this looks good to me. I click OK, and now I'm going to this eraser tool, and I'm just going to erase in the middle of the nose because we don't need this part. And also if there's anything on the eyes, I'm erasing this part. Yeah, like under the eyes we don't want. And as you know, when you erase on one part, it's get erased on another part. Okay, so that looks good to me. Of course, if you do it like for real filter, you can play more around, like maybe this gets erased because it's getting too close to the eyes. But just for this tutorial not to be too long, I'm just showing like this. And now I'm disabling this face and disabling this layer, brown layer, and I'm going File, Export, click Export as PNG, and I'm gonna call it Contour, Save, and now I'm clicking New Project, Blank Project, and I'm dragging this contour to our Assets panel, and I'm clicking No Compression, and I'm clicking Add Object, Face Mesh, and clicking plus by the material, and this one is going to be retouching. Let me switch the face of myself. Let me add one more object, one more face mesh. And again, plus on the material. And this one is going to be for the contouring. So I'm clicking flat, and then I'm clicking this contour texture, which I, by the way, click no compression here. So, okay, so now how it looks. It looks like this, but we need to change the color. So this brown, it's kind of greenish. So this brown, but since it has too much green, I can go to this part and just reduce the green by pulling this more to the like red side and here. So with the color you need to play around because it takes a lot of time to find the color that you actually like. So I'm clicking OK. And then I'm switching this to the multiply. And then I'm changing opacity to 50%, like this. And then I'm going to the use depth test and I'm disabling it. And also I'm going to the project, edit properties, capabilities, face tracking, and picking high. So that's basically how it looks. I know the color is not perfect. I just don't want to play around too long because I want to show like the steps, but with the color you need to pick the one you like the most. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a good day. Bye bye.